Well, these are the Ward's charcoal ovens. WCO is what it says right there. I paid my fee, so I'm not a scallywag or anything here. Not going to hike the trails. Here's all this. There's some kind of thing here. I don't know what this says. Nevada. Some kind of survey. It's supposed to be a brochure up there. I paid a $10 fee and then went to get a brochure, but there's none there. All right. Not too pleased about that. But we'll come up here and take a look here in a second. A lot of charcoal for smelting ore. It says 30 to 50 bushels to reduce 1 ton of ore. And think of how much wood it takes to make all that charcoal there. Well, you can stop the vid and read that. And here they are, yeah. Look at them. It's early in the morning. 10-mile drive up a dirt road here to get here. But there's the impressive figures here. One oven is 6 acres of trees. Just one of these 6 acres of trees. That's a lot of wood there. Look at all that in here. Ooh boy. Yeah. I guess back in the old days there used to be tons more trees here. Now there aren't. And here we can go inside. At least they got a fairly big opening in here. Look at these massive stones here. And this mortar looks very good, almost like cement or concrete. And we're going to go in here. Hello, any animals in here? Ooh. Not going to be attacked by a bear or anything. There's the opening up top. Pretty big. I think all this was in here and built that fire, and pretty simple design, but must have worked great back in the day there. Nice area here. Come down to the rest of these guys. Look at this here. All of them here. The winds aren't too bad for the drone here, maybe. Yeah, look at these guys here. Coming down here. They're pretty much all the same inside. Now, they do have these little vents. I didn't notice them. And they're nicely laid out here. So they do have these little vents here. Did I see those inside? No, they don't go in here. There's some vents on the bottom I see over there, but they don't match the ones on the outside. So maybe there's, you know, and in there, well, I can see inside there. I think what it is that they're angled down. There they are. Yeah, there they go. They're angled down. That's why I can't see them in there. So there they are. Okay. Solved that mystery. All right. Nice area. You can spend a whole day here hiking the trails. So here's the other end here. Here they all are. Boy, it's really something what they did and how they built all these things. They're all perfectly symmetrical and held up well over the years. I mean, a couple of the ones on the first couple on my little tops, kind of, maybe those were the first ones built and they started using them. And then the tops eroded from all the heat and everything, and Tops got chopped off a little bit, but the rest of these just have the nice little opening at the top. Like on this one here, we'll take another look in here. Yeah, very tiny opening up there, very tiny. And they got a big thing in the back there. I'll have to read what that is. Maybe that's to keep adding fuel to keep the charcoal burning, because I'm sure as it burns, the volume of all the logs would reduce. So do they keep adding more logs or what? I'll have to read up on this and see how it actually happened here. Okay. And flew the drone a little bit, but getting gusty winds and props spinning too fast, caution high winds, bada bing, bada boom. But here's that war charcoal ovens. Ah, there you go, historical marker. There's the ovens back there. Look at this, nobody else around. If you wanted to hike, you have the whole place to yourself. You got your bathrooms, your picnic table, all the comforts of home, gigantic parking lot. And you can spend a day here easily. I'm the only one here. Hopefully there's a shorter dirt road back to the main highway. We shall see.